2 days after a year Kintampo accident, no, a see, more stories are coming through. Remember what you say, in Crawford 6 and the survivor here. Yesterday, I brought you an exclusive story from a survivor. Obi a survivor here, send accident, me see, and now walk as a one more driver, no, and a fault, no, a free, no. Answer the Sunday Park on the back of Sakra, and a police cry, Amayati, as I say, a free. Saa driver no wɔno firi ne lane mu ekodi ɛyɛ Benz Sprinter bi lane mu a Benz Sprinter no wɔn mu team nia ewuye. Now yamaboti asase nkrofo 6 and the survivor here. Those 6 people we told you said they were at the hospital and now wɔn a receive treatment. The eba and say wɔn nyinaa wɔn receive treatment a wɔn nyinaa yama wɔn akofie. You release your. Now, the president of the land, President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, what's in news way, one who said no, very, very terrible. Until one also added a voice about Bekaho, Wakasa on this particular thing. Now, President Nekasari, you know, a lot of Ghanaians came under the post of the president to share their thoughts on this particular thing. Almost to say, President, no, when you maybe I was say, to me, but may no, I'll actually speak on that because we share a coin now. Na nkrofo fi se sa Kintampo to Tamale Highway no ekwan bi a ebia ekwan no enye ebia ekwan na say, but I'm telling you that road no ekwan bi a edem edaso pot just say totin wo kwa edaso smooth. And so we will read what the president said and then we'll go into what Ghanaians believe the president to be to me aye. Mensoma Tremadwin on what I also believe say Ghana for was say bibia na yebo president din bibia na yebo politicians din. Assembly and a President Troy was say, my sympathies and condolences go to all the families and loved ones of the deceased in Monday's horrific accident on the Kintampo Tamale Highway. May their souls rest in peace. I also wish the injured a speedy recovery. Was say, and the sympathies and the condolences with Womo families. May their souls rest in peace. Obi na was say womo planning so no speedy recovery. Now speedy recovery no we show no aye adwuma because and that me no can say just within 2-3 days no womo a recover you release your. Now one interesting thing is one of the survivors cry no maami bi a wonyem etie for one of the survivors so maami bi a wonyem na woka ho ye danyankopon wase say still chese maami no ne ho ato na ye release no. And we pray and hope say akolana wadani yem no bibi boni bia ento akolana. Now, will be aba betro ensem afa this particular thing at president no etroye. Will be say we need new reforms on safety measures on our road, Mr. President. Accident is killing more than HIV, coronavirus, and any deadly disease in Ghana. Accident kills 4 people daily, and this is very serious. We need to curb this to preserve lives. And only asema will be air can say Ghana, you hear new reforms on safety measures. Now accidents, we share HIV, coronavirus a year can we share Ghana accidents plan a kumin crofo since I area kesian ya yesruno. And no any asema will be ebe troye. Obi say, Mr. President, the National Road Safety Commission and NTTD is not helping. It's not helping to solve the road crashes in this country at all. Not a single target has been achieved in the year. What we need most in this country is to reduce crashes. What we need most in this country to reduce crashes is to continue to educate our drivers. Long live Ghana. It's the nipa way air can and say, ye bia National Road Safety Commission, any MTTD. One more a year targets bia one more can say that this year there it was say you to me educating Ghanaian drivers na yema accident esote was it so far sa target na ya National Road Safety Commission any MTTD one more set no sa target na ya one to me meet inti e was say ye boa one no meet those targets no because say who the educated drivers need there sabi it needs resources. Police no one got sound to me in far wape say who could driver be him at educating or derby. And I feel say this is something that needs to be done. in a lot of these stations, car stations, and the Ghana stations are adore, so cars bebree. Long distance traveling stations, maybe a VIP stations. Now, a day in, day out, National Road Safety Commission, MTTD4, wo air trauma, because Andra, remember what you see based on Asema police for the buyer, and they survivor not their worker, you know. Remember what you say, last year, there a year and for close to 70 a woo, you know. And also the same Kentampo Tamale Highway, no. Anyway, Utumu say the same story. Last year, the also driver no will free the northern side of Wabano, one also saw and I will veer off the road, ebedi, other driver ni lane mu, and the car never born out, and also can't see a kumo, drobang. We also saw driver now will free the northern side, and veer off the road, ekodi will be full lane mu. And the car no bomber, one also see it would drobang. Internet here for. The year can no. Say these people need some level of education. At least the National Road Safety Commission for the MTTD4, woman say VIP station na, ebia a car station na fit temale for eba almost station ni, na ende woman should ask a date. Na drivers for no honey educate you omo say enumerate driving no. Oh yeah, because yakoye say nini na how much na SU. Yakoye say it's either say visibility is poor. Or there's something na AC drivers now are there way at home no one open and realize it, and because we are not there, we can actually speak to the facts and the matters of that particular thing. It's I feel say Sandy Pakwe suggestion a worker say National Road Safety Commission any MTTD4 and was say one more educating no, I feel that it will help. But say you didn't catch no all these things they actually need the resources. E was say aban edisika shim na ye fa ne serious. Misusu say police ni MTTD lorry station say wo ni omo ekwa akokasa. Driver bi eni wa wo beka say wo mpene. Especially if police for no aboard the station masters amanie. Because all these drivers under these station masters now at least if for nothing at talk na they respect their station masters. Nti no ene ade a eda ho wa wonim asem we a eda ho yi ana asem a president akai wonim say Ghana na ewo a lot of people will come to insult the president. Some people will also come to give solutions. You know, I'll try as much as possible. One more be president na them no I'll not read their tweets. One more comment one more buy no me read it. But will be the idea be about anipa ko post a picture be a walker say was say no dual carriage road because we share the number of where head-on collisions are AC was atemale highway no the dual carriage road there will be no head-on collision accidents there, and I think that is the truth because yen fan say a kwan bi wo ho as akwan no 99% of accidents AC a head-on collision. We the dual carriage now the barrier be etumwa head-on collision no NCBM because we they will free the other side there but no one other carriage road ne so we so nam other carriage road ne so barrier edom mfimfin edi e bia two cars dey decide say wo mo betu efi asase ne so akwa koshia wo hwin mu na wo mo crash that's the only possibility a ebetumi am head-on collision AC. Until I believe say the way at least if for nothing at talk na over 100 people just within 1 year ewu was akwan so ni nia head-on collision. If for nothing at all we should think into that ni nya sa akwan no dual carriage road, it will reduce the impact of the accidents over there. It will be the cancer asem say e was say ye no dual carriage road and obi nso betro say na wo de wo kasa te say mampanyin no wonim wo mo ni anim say wo mo ye no dual carriage e be reduce accidents no but wo mo enye, and this is very sad and only asema will be e betro ye obi nso say the usual thoughts and prayers but no action. And only asema will be a catch Ekufuado because if Ekufuado can say my thoughts and prayers are with you, and Obi can say thoughts and prayers and they are more dear debiasa, but moon take action be a besan so aqua until say accidents be besan so si wo hobium na ya sanso aba kasa. And Obi better say very bad They just waiting for issues to happen, then they send prayers. They won't go and tackle what actually causes the incident. What a country. Hey, and only asema will be air. Obi also say it shouldn't always be about condolences, but taking time to fix the bad roads to prevent these accidents, rather than wasting money on unprofitable projects. Na asema nipako we kan meme ansa nipako no say Kintampo kwan no enye bad road o. It is perfect. Me catch obi say ye pega na kwan pa e da so smooth. Ah ye kan ye rank here. Ghana ha say Kintampo kwan no ebe wo one of the top roads e da so ye papa e kwan ne demu yo. Into omo na omo ka say we dey bad roads no. We enye bad roads. But this is what the president wrote, and Medegana Fonso Adjin on this particular thing, no, Ebimo Abremo. I tried as much as possible, more mobile BD president anthem, I didn't read anything. You know, but more 2-4. What mobile say, and then I made the buy, and I feel say that is right. Montreal, comment box, for, that's it.